welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I'm excited because I have another quick and easy DIY project for you guys, and I'm gonna be doing another version of my hula hoop centerpiece. If you haven't seen the first one, I'll link it right up here so you can check that out. But I'm gonna be using the base that I used in that video as a starting point. And I'm just gonna add a few things to it so I can do a double hula hoop centerpiece look and inspiration. So if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out, and let's hop into it. So I'm starting off with some zip ties, and all I did is I just zip tied the second hula hoop to that base from my previous project, and I'm just going to snip the ends of the zip tie, but I only put zip ties in two spots, and that's towards the base of the centerpiece. All right, so now it's time to go ahead and decorate our centerpiece. You can use some floral wire, you can use some more zip ties. I'm opting for zip ties. And then I'm just gonna glue some hydrangea heads in the center part. You can use roses, anything, and whatever color scheme that you have, you can do that as well. And here's what it's looking like so far before we go on to the next step. So I decided I'm going to add some acrylic garland onto the top hula hoop. So all I'm using is my hot glue gun to secure those in place. And here's a closer look at how I hot glue those on. And here's the finished look. I love it. It's nice and elegant, but simple at the same time and super easy to do. I don't know if you guys can see it on this particular video, but I did add some like gold pearl accents in the flower parts where the hydrangeas are, just to add a little bit more color and kind of tie in that gold hula hoop and bring it all together so it's a nice cohesive look. But of course you can add even more flowers. I may do one more double hula hoop variation. So if I do, I'll definitely post it on my channel. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next awesome DIY project that I'm going to be bringing you. All right, so let me know what you guys think of this DIY project. It's super easy, super elegant, and so quick to do. So, and you know, that's what I like about DIY projects. Some are not like that, but this one is. It's different enough from my first hula hoop centerpiece, but it's still quick and easy, which I like. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.